Hi again. I am back in one of the quietest sections of the whole supermarket, the baby section, as I think no one during Christmas is going to gift shampoos for the babies. This aisle is pretty empty. So we have those beautifully baby scented shampoo, have some extra soft. You could get those hydrating cream. This cream, one of my friends have it, and it actually smells super good. I asked her about it, and she told me she got it. And I was about to buy it. I couldn't find it actually. I couldn't find it. So I asked her, and she told me where she bought it, like the shop where she bought it. I went there, couldn't find it, was really sad about it because it smells so good. And in the end, she called me. She was like, "Hey, do you remember that cream you were talking about? I actually got you one." And I was like, "Damn, that's nice. So nice of you. You know, people are nice, and you wouldn't expect it because I actually didn't expect it at all." Sorry, I don't know where it stopped, but let's continue. We have two babies coming our way. I don't know if they're going to be loud, but they're welcome in this video. I mean, I can't show you their face, of course, but you will hear them. I think so. Yep. Little tippy taps. We have. This is to actually smell it. They're like, "Ooh, you want to smell this? Let's go." Okay, smells like babies. It's a perfume for babies. I don't think babies need perfume, as they actually already have a lot of products that have fragrance in them. So, yeah, wouldn't buy it. Okay, this is actually relaxing to do. Have the little creams. I can take the ones from the back as they're all from the same batch. So let's take these and put them at the front so that people won't get angry at me saying that I'm taking the ones from the back and the expiring date is closer. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. We also have a spray. This is some oil. Oil from almonds. Have this. This is hygiene and a spray for the nose. We have some chocolate, not for babies. This is empty, so this goes in the back. let's bring this forward. This. They're playing a little game, running after each other. Okay, let's see. Let's bring these a little bit forward. Okay. These are cotton pads. It reminds me that I have to buy some. Totally forgot about it. We have the solución nasal y oftálmica. This is for baby's eyes, water for baby's eyes. It's actually, I think, seawater for baby's eyes. So that when they have things in their eyes, you can just wash it away. And adults can also use these. When you have, I don't know, sometimes I have, I don't know, my eyes would get watery after I don't know what. And I would just pop one of these. This is some cleansing gel. I mean, not cleansing, but cleaning gel. Yeah, it's the same. Put these forward. These zero perfume. Do you see? That's what we want. Zero perfume. We have chocolate again. This is not where it belongs. It's bûche de Noël. If you're familiar, I don't know if you guys have those as well, but for Christmas we have these kind of cakes, which is they can be frozen, like it could be ice cream cake, or just this kind of. It's called a bûche, and it's a Christmas. It's a bûche de Noël for Christmas. It's not the same. Where does this go? I don't know where this goes. It was here. Let's put it here. You know that when it's written clinically tested, it doesn't mean that it's also clinically approved. So don't get fooled by this. I know those things because of skincare. I'm fond of skincare and fragrance. Those labels you have on things just to make you think that you're buying something that is worth the money when it's actually not. This is the things I hate, so I'm being very careful about this. Okay. And if I can share these things with you guys, it's even better. Okay. Pampers. I don't know how you guys call those. Pampers. Pampers. What's this? Lotus. They're probably just in front of me, but I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. Well, I don't know. Let's put them here. Actually, I don't think they belong here. Like, I think they're actually makeup wipes or just regular wipes. Okay. Let's put this here, because this is the place for the yellow ones. Okay. Babies everywhere. I think those, yeah, this is like the supermarket brand, simple. It's like the cheap one. Oh my god, why so much chocolate? We have, yeah, I don't know what's going on with chocolate in the baby section, but it's there. Still have babies running around in the aisles. I'm sometimes so mad at myself because I don't show you the before, because it's actually pretty satisfying to see the before and the after, but when you can only see the after, you don't see like what I actually did. This, I can't reach this, it's too far. This also, I'm scared to knock everything down. And this is gel for body and hair, 2 in 1. We were doing the si Pampers Aqua. Yeah, they're just in front of me. You see, I'm just looking around. There is those, and we have Aqua Harmony. I don't know what's the difference. This is 0% perfume and alcohol, dermatologically tested as well. This is the same as clinically tested. Doesn't mean that it was dermatologically approved as well. And have the huge packs. Harmony again, but it's in 3 packs of 3. Let's bring a few of them forward in here. 3, just 1 on the side. I think, yeah, Harmony. And we have the Fresh Clean as well. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? I think everything is in place. When I was a little kid, I used to love those. The little frog. I had a pencil case. It was actually with this little frog. You see? Come back to you after. Yeah. Okay. And we said about those. And then I think I'll finish the video here. Okay. Bimbo. Serviette Bimbo. Toalitas. Okay. I think we're good. Yep. This was pretty nice. This was actually calming. Let's see, just for fun. The baby clothes. Oh, this is this is actually cute. Okay, I'm not. Okay. This is cute.
Ah, mais il faut pas prendre que 2 packs. Tu peux prendre la badoie, le jus d'orange, le coca, machin, il faut un peu ça.
Leave a socks. Have blanket. Oh, what is this? Skateboarding dinosaurs. The little plushie. Oh my baby. Badaboule. Badabule. We have the car seats. That bit expensive, but I think that's the price. I'm not quite sure. Have a little teddy as well. Reindeer. Another car seat. Having a baby is expensive. This goes here. All the Christmas teddies. What if we don't want Christmas teddies? Look, this is $9.99 instead of $19.99. We have dinosaurs as well. I mean, kids and dinosaurs. Why does it has to be for kids only? But yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me if you prefer longer or shorter video like this. I mean, 15 minutes is pretty good. But yeah. Okay. See you around.